Welcome back to my channel. Today we will study waterlogging and salinity. We have been grown up used to seeing this kind of landscape when we travel or when we look here and there. But these days we often see this kind of land. This kind of land has some white deposit on it, and this is known as waterlogged or saline soil. Waterlogging is saturation of soil with water that leads to salinity, which is accumulation of salts in soil and water. We often see this kind of land, but don't worry, there are many control measures by which we can control the accumulation of this type of land. Sometimes it is landscape which is naturally like that. This is known as primary salinity. And sometimes the land is made saline or waterlogged with the help of human activities. This may lead to secondary salinity. There are many causes of waterlogging and salinization in Pakistan. The first is high water table. Second is hot and dry climate. Third is inadequate irrigation supplies, either too low or either too high. The other causes flooding of fields or inadequate drainage, seepage from canals, over irrigation of fields. There are various effects of waterlogging, such as anaerobic conditions prevail in the soil of plants, which is known as anaerobic crop root zone. There is immense growth of water-loving plants other than those that are required. It often lowers the temperature of the soil. There are many effects of waterlogging, but all can be mitigated with the help of control measures. For example, engineering approach. In this approach, if the cause of waterlogging and salinity is high water table, what we can do is we can lower the water table to manage waterlogging and salinity. One way to control waterlogging and salinity is the improving conditions of soil, which is known as reclamation approach. We can also bring back our land to its original condition by soil conditioning or an improvement in soil, that is known as biosaline approach. In this video, we have studied that waterlogging refers to saturation of soil with water, and salinity is the accumulation of salts in soil and water. There are various causes of it, like hot and dry climate, high water table, inadequate irrigation supplies, inadequate drainage, seepage from canals, and over irrigation of fields. There are various effects of it, including creation of anaerobic conditions, growth of water-loving plants, impossibility of tillage operations, accumulation of harmful salts, and there are various remedial or control measures like engineering approach, reclamation approach, and biosaline approach. I hope this video is clear. Do like it, share it, and subscribe the channel, and stay curious until the next video. Thank you.